Surfers ride on the wind, gliding over white waves. A playful breeze towels her hair.
Children play along the sandy shore, their laughter drowned by the sound of the waves. Plumeria blooms adorn your hair, long flowing locks and brown eyes so fair.
The sun scorches you and me together as our time quietly slips away.
The boat carries us swaying on the waves. The sweet fragrance of your hair drifts in the air.
The sunset paints the island silhouetted red. The sound of waves lulls us gently to bed.
The sun scorches you and me together as our time quietly slips away.
The sun scorches you and me together as our time quietly slips away.